guys, this is Jenna
and Josh
with Resort TV1, and today we are at Volcano Bay.
We're going to take you around and show you the sights and sounds of the park. But first, we'll take you back to the parking garage and show you how you get into the park on the bus. So,
we hope you enjoy the video.
So here is where you buy tickets for Volcano Bay or Universal. It looks like you can buy either. There's nobody here right now, but... And then you also can buy tickets over at Volcano Bay. Here's a nice little guide. It says how tall are you, and it tells you which rides you can take and how tall you need to be to ride each of the rides. And over here is where you get on the bus. So there's a nice little line here. You can get on the bus. There's guest relations over here too. So, all right, we are walking in this little path down to Volcano Bay. Ooh, sorry, a little bumpy. So here's a really cool tunnel that we're gonna walk through. Alright, so it says Volcano Bay up there, so we must be going the right way. Heading up the escalator. Alright, this must be it. We're in the right spot. Volcano Bay. That's really cool. We have some neat little water features here as you're walking in. Oh, there we go. And here's where you buy your ticket if you don't have one already. Luckily, we have our ticket on our annual pass. And Volcano Bay is open today 10 to 6. Oh, and then this is a really cool tiki here. Oh, the tiki's talking. And it looks like here's the turnstile, so here's where we go in.
that's where we get our Taboo Taboos as well. This is the Taboo Taboo. And it's similar to a magic band, but not exactly. You can see it has a screen, and obviously magic bands don't have a screen, and it tells you to visit a ride totem to get a return time. So you don't actually book your attractions with the app. You actually just go straight to a ride. You tap on the ride totem, and it gives you a ride time right here on the Taboo Taboo. And you can see it's got a band, and it goes around your wrist. And of course, since it's a water park, it is waterproof. And then you return these at the end of every time you're here, and you get a new one every time you're here. So, and it'll give you warning messages, and it'll give you reminders whenever it's time to do your attraction as well. I believe it buzzes. I'm not sure. We'll have to try that. So, but anyway, this is the Taboo Taboo.
All right, we're heading around the corner here, and we're gonna see what we can see. Cool little sign over here. Oh, and wow, look at this, guys. There's the volcano. How cool is that? Oh my word, that is amazing. Here's a neat little photo op right here.
And it looks like over here it says you can touch your Taboo Taboo to get your picture. So I don't know if the Taboo Taboo saves the picture similar to how the magic band does, but that's kind of cool.
That is very cool. So here's Cabana Bay. Right here. And if you're staying in one of these rooms, you would have an amazing view out your window. How cool would that be?
I've actually never seen it from this side before. We always see it from the Interstate 4 side. Well, it's called the I-4 volcano, but it's much cooler from this side.
It really is. It's amazing. There's a cool tiki right here. So there's a neat little beach down here with a lot of chairs. And then a little, is that the wave pool, I guess? Do they have a wave pool? Yeah. And the volcano, of course. So here's a cute little ice cream place, Ice Cream Kona. And it is shaped like a little boat, so that's really cute. And the sails up here. So here's the Waturi Marketplace. A little shop here. Sorry, the sun's really bright.
But this is the way to get back to the lockers. The lockers are beyond the shop here. We kind of figured that out a little earlier. They're not right at the front like you'd think, maybe.
Here's a cool long sleeve tee. $36.95 for that one. Here's a neat Volcano Bay Turbis cup. $24.95. That's really cool. I like that. And a neat tank top down here. Here's Tuku Traders. Did I say that right?
Sounds right to me.
All right. This is a neat shop in here.
Yeah, it's a little different. You can get some plants and things here.
Yeah.
Tropical plants. Really cool stuff. Water bottles, towels.
I love this one that's in the tiki. That's really cute.
It's like a nice towel there. And
Oh yeah, I like that water bottle.
it looks like it's wood.
Yeah. You guys see the sea dragon up there? I guess that's what it is. The sea dragon, it's moving. That's so cool. Here's the bikini tiki. And this is really neat inside. I love how tall the ceiling is.
And all the tikis around the upper level there.
Ledge,
It's pretty cool.
yeah. Some more neat plants. I love those. That's really cool.
And those have a tiki pot too. So yeah, really fun.
Here's some neat, more neat little decorations here on top of this fixture. Here's a restaurant. Kaola Reef? I don't know, I don't think I said that right. Kaola Reef. Restaurant and social club.
We like both.
So here's some of the menus. Chicken and seafood. Burger and barbecue. Alright guys, we are live streaming and we're also going to try to walk under this volcano here. See if we can do that, but here's a really pretty view of it. Here's another little view. So there's a wave pool over there, and then right in front of us is just a regular pool. So if you don't like the waves, you can go in this pool. And there's Josh live streaming.
So much. That's the Lane original rubber spinner. Thanks, Jeff.
All right, so here is the entrance, or one of the entrances to the Lazy River. I can't wait to check this out sometime. Lazy rivers are one of my favorite things at water parks. So here's more of the Lazy River here. And we're on a bridge. And I'll turn around here. And here's more of the Lazy River over this side. A little tiki here spitting water at all the people. That's fun. So here's two slides. I'm not quite sure of the names. We'll have to figure that out. But look at the way they take the inner tubes up. Isn't that neat?
This is really cool, guys.
And this slide over here looks really cool. I've seen this one from the road before, so I wondered what it looked like from the inside. So neat. Here comes one. So here's some more slides. So this is really neat. It's like they have 4 different slides here you can choose from, and again, you don't have to carry your raft. It goes up for you, so that's really cool. another entrance for the lazy river. It's a neat entrance here, I like it. Alright guys, here's another slide. Check this one out. This is really cool. It's like a family raft ride. It's like you can get 6 people on this one. That's funny, those tubes look like honeycombs. That's funny. Now I want honeycombs. Doesn't look like anybody's on this one right now. So here's another view of the volcano. And you can see up there people in line for the ride there. Here's a neat view here of Cabana Bay and the wave pool.
Hey James, how you doing?
It's another part of Cabana Bay. And a slide over there. This is cool. And then the volcano is right here. We're going to go try to walk underneath it. We're trying to find the path. We think we found it, maybe. This is a cool little thing. This is really loud, sorry. Neat though. Looks like we're going to be able to go underneath here. This is awesome. So cool. Okay guys, we are under the volcano. It's really loud, sorry. This is really neat though. There's Josh live streaming. We got a little wet going underneath here. This is really cool inside the volcano here. Alright, so here is the cabana that you can rent. And it's really neat because there's one up here too. That was a really good idea to do a 2-story cabana. And then there's more on this side too. Alright, so we got some food at the Cahola Reef. I got chicken fingers and fries. And Josh got a bacon cheeseburger.
And the bun here is the Hawaiian bread, so it's going to be really good.
That sounds really yummy. They had lots of options, lots of different chicken and different things like that, pizza. But yeah, we're excited to try it. So we finished lunch and it was delicious. The chicken fingers and the burger, both really good. And now we're walking around so Josh can get some movies, some video for his 4K video that will be up. Here's another look at the water coaster, Krakatoa, I think is what it's called. It's really cool. Oh, there they went. So we noticed when we were walking by this restaurant, the Bamboo Jungle Kitchen, that it is not busy at all compared to the other ones, because the other ones had longer waits. And they have about the same food as the restaurant that we were at earlier up front. So there you go. Alright, so we are walking to the bus, and this takes us over to the parking lot, the Universal parking lot, where you normally park to go to Universal or Islands of Adventure. It's a pretty cool bus, it's really big.
Bus is huge.
Yes, it's all the way back there. And they have a TV screen.
Bay.
Make sure you check out our sponsor, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.